Today in the shop we've got this GMC Sierra 1500. This is an aluminum tailgate. We've already pulled the cap off the top of this, but we've got this big dent right here that we're gonna address today. It's got a lot of things going on, and we'll show you some more zoomed in videos kind of showing what's going on here. There's a hard hit right through the center here that's affecting both the top body line, the bottom body line, and even the understructure here is all affected and damaged. So we're gonna work on this today. We're gonna use some lateral tension pulls to help soften this up and get this aluminum removed. But we're gonna do a lot of work today getting this out.
Here you can see all the displaced metal across the top here with the buckle pushing upwards into the plastic trim, as well as this huge buckle pushed downwards with a lot more displaced metal down. Moving into this and looking at this, you can actually see this tall vertical crease that cuts right through this body line that we're gonna have to reconstruct.
So we've got this one re-glued on here. I switched to the Cam Auto collision glue this time because it's gonna hold a little bit stronger as we put all the tension and all that force into it. And I may have to go back and re-glue this one, we'll see. The tool that I'm going to use to do my pushing work is just PDR Finesse. I do have a Black Magic cap on here for a little bit of soft pushing.
Here you can see we're getting this Kiko K-Power system set up on here. We're going to use this to stretch from left to right to help alleviate a lot of the tension within this dent. So after having the lateral tension on there and getting a lot of really good pushes in here, you can see we soften that crease up quite a bit. So now we're using a lot of steel knockdowns, a lot of tapping. This is allowing us to move all that displaced metal back around to help when we go to push this back up some more. So in here pushing, we're getting a lot of the fine details. We're getting in, cleaning up in between a lot of our hard first initial pushes. This is allowing us to clean up some of that texture and soften it up even more. Real quick, here's the before with all the displaced metal. And here's the after using the Paintless Dent Repair to manipulate around all the displaced metal, getting all the body lines rebuilt. Here's a natural light reflection showing everything back in line, how it would look outside in natural light. If you have dents, dings, creases, or even minor parking lot damage, feel free to give us a call at 970-292-6817 or visit us on the web at kclcreations.com.